And now while coming to the present content of the video, here it is the website that is nothing but a future skills. This website is maintaining by the government of India, that is Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So if you look at this website, here the lot of courses are provided and unlock your skills in the lockdown period. So in the lockdown period, this website is updated with a few more number of courses. So Big Data Foundation by Digital Vidya. Fine. So here the industry recommended curriculum for beginners to learn about big data technologies. Upon completion, you are eligible for NASCOM SSC assessment and certification also. So take this course valued at 5,000 rupees for free for a limited duration. Okay. So it is providing for a limited duration, and like that here whatever the courses you are seeing on the screen, so all these courses are having the two types of things are there. So either, for example, it is Microsoft AZ 500. So if you click on this one, the two types of learning means one is you can go through the free version, that means online free, and if you want to get the in-depth knowledge regarding these courses, then you have to go to the instructor led paid. Okay, so I mean if you click on this one, it is goes to the paid courses, and see you can check that it is 165 USD dollars. Fine. So like that you can able to check the few more courses. So based upon your undergraduation or the post graduation specialization, so you may check whatever the course you want, and here all the courses will definitely helpful for your career. So here by the online you can able to finish this course and you can able to get the certificate also. So here the Python is there, and machine learning and application of linear regression, and here the whoever the providers are there, they are the IITs are also providing the courses in this one, and the IBM and the Cisco Networking and Academy. So the very big companies and the very good reputed educational institutions are providing the courses here. So once if you finish the course in this platform with the certification, then it will be the very much boost up for your career, right? So please share this video to your friends or colleagues as maximum as possible. Why? Because it will be very much helpful in this lockdown period to finish the course online and get the certificate. Okay. So to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel, and after subscribing, tap the bell icon. Thank you. The candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate Electronic Science, it is a very good news to you to crack your JRF exam in the 2020. Why? Because the Unacademy launched the Electronic Science complete course for the UG Senate exam. So if you want to crack the JRF in this 2020, then definitely you have to take the subscription plan under this Unacademy. So coming to the subscription plan, you will be having the structured course and the interactive live classes will be there, and you will be having the live tests and the quizzes also will be there. So due to all these points, you are going to get a very good clarity in the conceptual way to clear your exam in a perfect way. So these are the subscription plans for 1 month 2100, and for the 3 months, 6 months and 12 months. So here the different subscription plans are there. So the candidates who wants to subscribe this complete course for the UG Senate Electronic Science, then you may subscribe here any one of these plan, and here the referral code is also there. So it is a referral code you have to use, that is Ashwini K, ASWINIK. So if you use this referral code, then you are going to get the total 10% discount on any one of this subscription plan.